Welcome! This video is a quick start guide for the Power Advisor app. Power Advisor helps you use timeless wisdom from historical figures to build a clear and effective strategy for any goal. Let's look at the main screens. This is the main window. Your first step is to use the Power Source drop-down to select a set of strategies, like these from Marcus Aurelius. Next, describe your situation and your goal in the text boxes provided. Finally, from the list on the left, double-click on the strategies you want to use. They will then appear in the Strategies You've Chosen list on the right. After you select your strategies and click the Analyze button, you will see this window. This is the Power Dynamics Matrix. The app presents you with different combinations of the strategies you chose. For each row, your task is to use the slider on the right to rate the combination's expected impact on achieving your goal from 1 to 10. Once you have rated all the combinations, clicking Calculate Results will display this screen. It shows a summary of your ratings and, at the bottom, identifies the single best combination based on your own assessment. This gives you clarity on the most effective path forward. The final step is to use the Copy as AI prompt button. The app generates a detailed prompt like the one you see here, containing your goal, strategies, and analysis results. You can paste this directly into an AI chat model for further discussion and development of your plan. We hope this guide helps you get started with Power Advisor.